Wow, what a start. Okay, Vlogmas 2023, day one. Let's go. All right, let's get real. Okay, that's what Vlogmas is all about, right? Behind the scenes. When my apartment's a mess and my appearance is a mess, my brain's a mess. So first things first, Vlogmas day one, that's today, is gonna be like a reset, like a cleanse. Like we're gonna literally clean the apartment and myself. Today is gonna be that day. I have the whole day off. I have no classes, excuse me, no classes to teach, none of that. So I don't even know where to start, but we just get started. The way that I already feel better just from opening those windows and looking outside for 5 seconds. So when I am like in a state of like I don't know where to begin, I just start putting things in the room that they belong. So like I have a whole bunch of empty boxes. Take my word for it. I have a bunch of empty boxes. Those all need to get broken down and put outside. I have laundry that I did earlier this week and folded in the things that need to go into the bedroom. I have craft supplies everywhere because I'm doing all these tutorials and everything. So I just start putting things in the room that they belong, and then I'll go room by room. But first things first, music. Now, you guys know I'm normally a Taylor Swift girly, but today, I don't know. I'm feeling Fleetwood Mac greatest hits. Something about that, I don't know, it's just feeling like the mood for today. I did it. I did it. Fun fact about me, I was named after Lindsey Buckingham. Just kidding, I wasn't. But I thought it was so cool that we had the same name. I was actually named after my grandfather. His name was Lindsay. So I am named after a male Lindsay. But I didn't know that that was like a common thing back in the day. I thought he was the only one. I don't know. But I did used to tell people that Lindsey Buckingham was my namesake. But it isn't. Okay, now I'm going to rest, relax, cool down for a minute, get some computer work done, get some stuff done for social media and all that. You don't want to come with me on that. So, but yeah, can you tell my mood? Can you see the difference between when the video started and now? Like I have so much energy, so much energy. I think we really are our own worst enemy sometimes. Who is she? Obviously took a shower. I'm in my sewing room. Okay, I'm working on today's DIY tutorial because I just like living life on the edge. And it doesn't look like much now. Can you tell what it's gonna be? Can you tell? Can you tell? I don't honestly know if this is gonna look cray or cute. That should be the name for the series, cray or cute. But we're gonna go with it. In my head, it works. So that's kind of all that matters. So let me get to making this thing, filming it, editing it, putting it on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. My goodness. And hopefully you guys like it too. I'll show you at the end, naturally. We are all done. Isn't she the cutest little thing you've ever seen? It's an angel tree topper. I know. And this is what it's made of. So all of this stuff came from the Dollar Tree. It's a traffic cone, some little, what are these things called? Finger shooters. They look like these little noodles. That burlap I got from the old wreath. This came off of the wreath as well. A glass, or not glass, but a plastic big ornament that they sell at Dollar Tree, and then the Dollar Tree Cecil rope. Oh, and these are balloon, like yard balloon holders. I guess you blow up balloons and you stick them onto the top of this and then stick them into your grass, and then you have like balloons in your grass. I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, this can be this, and then you put it on top of your tree. I think she's really, really cute. The eyes might be a little bit small, but other than that, I'm really happy. So editing and posting, and then nighttime for this girly. I've got a lot of class tomorrow, so you're gonna come along with me there. I'll meet you back here tomorrow for day 2 of Vlogmas.